Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be repairing this bike. We had purchased the broken pieces as I had shown you in the previous video. We will therefore start by removing these broken fairings. I have basically removed the fairings and the headlamp. We will be replacing it with this new one. So next up, we will remove this broken mudguard. I had to remove the front wheel to access the broken mudguard. Now that everything is apart, we will just fix the new ones. I started with the headlamp. Just hook the headlamp bulb in place, fix the wires in and screw the headlamp unit on the bike. Fixing the fairings back is as easy as removing them. Here is the completed work, and as you can see, the bike is back in shape. As good as new. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed the video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.